Hey everybody, this is Justin with PumpPal here, and I'm excited to announce a new feature in PumpPal. We call it a beginner's corner. When you're first starting out, there's tons of new terminology, just like anything you can get into. Whatever your career is, chances are you gotta learn a bunch of terms inside there. Fitness is the same way, right? So when you go into this, there's going to be tons of terms, or maybe you have questions, maybe you read something to understand what they meant by it. This is where Beginner's Corner in the app comes into play. You can go to the Beginner's Corner, and if maybe you heard a term you don't understand, you can search for that term, and it'll tell you what that is. They have frequently asked questions, gym etiquette. You can select it by category, kind of learn like what's appropriate in the gym, what's not appropriate in the gym. Progress basics, nutrition basics, all kinds of stuff for beginners. That is the new feature in PumpPal. I'll be adding more to it as I figure out more to add as we go. But if you're a new gym goer, this will be awesome for you, as you can always have a place to look for your information. If you like this kind of content and want to know about future features in PumpPal, please like and subscribe to the channel as I add more features to the app. Otherwise, I think I covered what I wanted to cover. Go to your app store, search for PumpPal physical activity logs. There's all kinds of cool features in there besides Beginner's Corner. We got your plans. We got progress photos, body measurements, your reasons. Go ahead and check it all out and see if you like the app. If you do, please help out support the app by purchasing that lifetime access at a great price of $39.99. Otherwise, I think I covered what I wanted to cover, and you all have a good day. Bye now.